So these two switches would be the inputs for the coins, and then the output LEDs for the state would be LED 6, 7, and 8, and the output LED for the change would be 10, 11, and 12, and then the output for the candy is 15. So 5, see, it goes from state 0 to 5 to 10 to 15 to 20 to 25, and when it gets to 25, the candy is dispensed. So right now it is on the state 100, which is state 20. So if I were to add a 10, it would go to state 25 and give back 5 cents change, and 5 cents change would be 001. So 001. Right now again it is still state 20 plus 5, state 25 with, let's say if it's in state 5 and you get a 10, state 15, and then another 10, state 25 with candy.